Hi students. Today in short term our topic is relative velocity. Okay? Relative velocity. Now here relative simply comparison. Okay? It is the velocity direction of A. This one is velocity direction of B. Okay? Now velocity of A is compared with the velocity of B. Understood? Velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A with respect to B means here A velocity is observed by B. A velocity is observed by B. Okay. Velocity of A with respect to B means you write as velocity of A minus velocity of B. In this case, A velocity is observed by B means B assumes is in a rest position. B assumes is in rest position. Understood? Okay. A with respect to B or velocity of B with respect to A means here velocity of B is observed by A. In this case, A assumed is in rest position. Velocity of B with respect to A, velocity of B minus velocity of A, velocity of B minus velocity of A from this one minus BA. A with respect to B is equal to minus B with respect to A. See, velocity of A direction is as usual for this one. Velocity of A direction as usual, but velocity of direction is reverse because of negative. Okay, this one is VB bar. This angle is theta means whatever this angle here 180 minus theta. Now it is 180 minus theta. This is the resultant A with respect to B. Total angle is 180 minus theta. Total angle is 180 minus theta. Here resultant makes an angle alpha with A. Understood? Okay. Now A with respect to B in terms of magnitude VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta. Okay. In magnitude both are same. In magnitude both are same, but direction C is opposite. Understood? So this one from this one tan alpha is equal to VB sin 180 minus theta. Okay. VA plus VB cos 180 minus theta. So tan alpha is equal to you write as VB sin theta by VA minus VB cos theta. Here alpha gives the direction. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of VB sin theta by VA minus VB cos theta. Are understood? Okay. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of VB sin theta by VA minus VB cos theta. Are understood? Okay. It gives the magnitude. It gives the direction. Okay. Next cases. Case 1. If theta is equal to 0 degrees. If theta equal to 0 degrees means here A and B both are moving in a same direction. Both are moving in same direction. A with respect to B is equal to square root of VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos 0 degrees. So A with respect to B is equal to square root of VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos 0 1. It is in the form of A square plus B square minus 2AB formation. So A with respect to B is equal to simply A square plus B square minus 2AB VA minus VB whole square. Okay, VA minus VB whole square root. Both are cancelled. So VA minus VB, A with respect to B is equal to VA minus VB. A with respect to B is equal to VA minus VB. Case 2. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, that means A and B perpendicular. A and B are in perpendicular. Okay. A with respect to B is equal to write as VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos 90 degrees. So A with respect to B is equal to square root of VA square plus VB square. Okay, cos 90 0. Understood? Okay. Now case 3. Case 3, if theta is equal to 180 degrees, that means both are moving in opposite direction. Both are moving in opposite direction. So VAB is equal to square root of VA square plus VB square minus 2VA VB cos 180 degrees. Cos 180 minus 1. Minus of minus plus. A with respect to B is equal to square root of VA square plus VB square plus 2VA VB. Cos 180 minus 1 minus of minus plus A square plus B square plus 2AB formation. So A with respect to B is right as VA plus VB. See here, in same direction VA minus VB, in opposite direction VA plus VB. Understood? Okay, these are the cases. Next one, relative motion on a moving train. Okay, so for example, it is a train. Okay, it moves. Here train velocity with respect to ground. On the train, one boy moving. Boy velocity with respect to train. Boy velocity with respect to train. Now boy velocity with respect to train is right as boy velocity with respect to ground minus train velocity with respect to ground. Okay, here required one is boy velocity with respect to ground. Boy velocity with respect to ground is equal to boy with respect to train plus train with respect to ground. Boy with respect to train plus train with respect to ground. Are understood? Okay. Now if train and boy both are moving in same direction, you know its magnitude is both boy with respect to ground is equal to square root of boy with respect to train square plus train with respect to ground square plus 2 boy with respect to train into train with respect to ground into cos theta. Okay, in same direction means theta equal to 0 degrees. Boy with respect to ground, boy with respect to train plus train with respect to ground, both are in a same direction. Both are in a same direction. You are adding. Okay, in opposite direction. In opposite direction. In opposite direction means what about theta? Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta equal to 180 degrees means boy with respect to ground is equal to square root of boy with respect to train square plus train with respect to ground square plus 2 boy with respect to ground train with respect to ground cos 180 degrees. Cos 180 minus 1. Minus into plus. Minus. Boy with respect to ground is equal to boy with respect to trine square plus trine with respect to ground minus 2 boy with respect to ground into trine with respect to ground. Okay, understood? Okay. So it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Boy with respect to ground is equal to boy with respect to trine minus trine with respect to ground. In this case, relative motion on a moving train means boy on the train, train on the ground. Understood? So boy with respect to train is right as boy with respect to ground minus train with respect to ground. Boy with respect to ground is equal to boy with respect to train plus it is taking this side train with respect to ground in same direction, simply this one. Understood? Okay. Now relative velocity in terms of acceleration. See, boy with respect to, sorry, for example, you consider A and also B. So in terms of acceleration means acceleration of A with respect to B, acceleration of A minus acceleration of B. So in magnitude, simply you write as acceleration of A square plus acceleration of B square minus 2 into acceleration of A, acceleration of B cos theta. Understood? In terms of acceleration. In terms of acceleration. Understood? Okay. Next, directions. Here it is north, south, east, west. A bar. This angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Vector A bar along northeast. See, exactly passing in middle. So that means 45 degrees. Here northeast mention means here vector makes an angle 45 degrees with east or with north. Understood? Okay. So if in case it is in this direction B bar, this angle is 45 degrees. Simply you write as B bar along northwest. B bar along northwest. If in case here, so C bar along west south or southwest. So next one, D bar along southeast or east south. Understood? North, south, east, west. One vector P bar theta. How you write this one? Vector P bar makes an angle theta with east or simply theta north of east. Theta north of east. That means this vector, okay, is in a northeast. So it makes an angle theta with east means simply write as north of east. Understood? Okay. See next one problem. An object A is moving with 5 meter per second and B is moving with 20 meter per second in the same direction. Positive x-axis. Find A velocity of B with respect to A, velocity of A with respect to B. Now to simplify the relative velocity problems, main important one is vector notation. Okay. Main important one is vector notation. See A. Okay, what is this given velocity? 5 along positive x-axis, 5 cap. Next one, B is equal to, 20 I cap. What is the first case? B with respect to A means BA bar is equal to VB bar minus VA bar. VB bar minus VA bar. B with respect to A is equal to 20 I cap minus 5 I cap. Okay. B with respect to A, 20 minus 5, 15 I cap. B with respect to A, what is the relative velocity here? 15. So magnitude, you are taking magnitude is simply 15 meter per second. Understood? Units, meter per second. It is the first case, B with respect to A. In second case, A with respect to B means velocity of A with respect to B, velocity of A minus velocity of B. Velocity of A is 5 I cap minus velocity of B is 20 I cap minus 15 I cap. A with respect to B. Magnitude is same, 15 meter per second. Understood? But directions are opposite. Magnitude is same. Understood? Okay. See next problem. A monkey climbing the vertical pole with the velocity 1 meter per second. A boy running horizontally towards the pole with velocity 3 meter per second. Find monkey velocity with respect to boy, boy velocity with respect to monkey. Required one is, first of all, a monkey climbing the vertical pole. For example, it is a vertical pole. Okay. Now monkey moving in upward direction. Here boy moving in this direction. Boy velocity. Okay, boy velocity for our convenient taken here in this way. Boy velocity. Okay, what is the given boy velocity here? 3 meter per second. 3 along x-axis I cap. Monkey velocity 1 j cap. Understood? First of all, monkey with respect to boy. Okay, monkey with respect to boy means monkey velocity minus boy velocity. Monkey with respect to boy, what is the monkey velocity here? 1 j cap minus, what about boy velocity? 3 I cap. Okay, so magnitude 1 square plus minus 3 whole square. Monkey with respect to boy, square root of 1 plus 9, it is equal to 10 meter per second. Are understood? Here main required one is direction. In this direction, monkey positive, but boy velocity is negative. That means monkey velocity and its direction is as usual same, but here boy velocity direction is change. Okay, this one, it is the boy velocity direction minus. Now this one is gives the monkey velocity with respect to boy. Monkey velocity with respect to boy, you are taken, this is the angle. Understood? Tan theta is equal to monkey velocity by boy velocity 1 by 3. Theta is equal here tan inverse of 1 by 3 with horizontal. Okay, with horizontal above the horizontal, with horizontal. Okay, above the horizontal, understood? Above the horizontal. Okay, next quantity, boy velocity with respect to monkey. Boy velocity with respect to monkey. Boy velocity with respect to monkey, boy velocity minus monkey velocity. Boy velocity, what's the given boy velocity here? 3 I cap minus monkey velocity 1 j cap. Boy with respect to monkey, boy with respect to monkey is equal to square root of 9 plus 1, As usual, its magnitude is 10 meter per second. But here main important one is direction. See, boy velocity as usual, direction. But monkey velocity direction is changed, minus Vm bar. It gives boy with respect to monkey. Okay, this is the angle theta. So from this one, tan theta equal to monkey velocity by boy velocity 1 by 3. Theta is equal to here tan inverse of 1 by 3 with horizontal, below the horizontal. Below the horizontal. Okay, below the horizontal. Understood? Here main important one is direction.